This car didn't just race muscle cars, it invented them. Meet the 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, the original American muscle icon. In 1970, this beast packed a 455 cubic inch V8, making up to 370 horsepower, brutal for its time. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, while most cars were still crawling. The name The Judge came from a popular TV show, and Pontiac used it to humiliate rivals. Bright colors, wild stripes, and a roar you could hear blocks away. Today, original Judge models sell for over $150,000. If you love real muscle cars, subscribe now. This channel respects legends.